So imagine that we've got a beautiful meadow. It's actually, my meadow's got poppies in it. I don't know what yours has got in it. And we're walking down the same path backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. And what we need to do is start creating a new path. And a new path, sometimes, you know, we have to kind of like push through the grass, because the grass is quite long in this meadow. Or maybe it's not, but that's maybe my interpretation or my belief, who knows. But what we need to do is, whenever we notice a negative thought, or, oh, I can't have my vision because of whatever, we need to say, yes, there's that thought, and we can tap. So we can tap on, even though I have this thought, I choose to focus on creating a new path in my meadow. And that's something I tap on quite a lot. So I thought we might do a round of tapping on that. So let's do a round now, and we'll just do some standard tapping. Even though I do sometimes have negative thoughts, and there might be a few self-sabotages left after all that beautiful tapping that we've just done, I choose to know that in my beautiful meadow, I am beginning to walk down a new path. And I'm choosing to know that that path is easy and effortless. And I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself just as I am, and just as I'm not. So tapping through the points. I have a meadow. I am walking through my meadow. And I am choosing to know that a new path is being forged easily and effortlessly. And I choose to know that the long grass is parting for me even before I walk towards it, so that my journey to creating my big vision is easy, joyful, playful, magical, and quicker than I ever expected. And I choose to know that I am deeply grounded, growing deep, strong roots into the ground, connecting to Mother Earth, who is deeply supporting me and nourishing me, sustaining me, and nourishing and sustaining the life of my vision. And I'm open to the possibility of being unexpectedly surprised at how easy my journey, my grounded journey, is to creating this vision. And say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform.